What's going on, pranksters? Today I'll be walking into a Jack in the Box and I'll show you 3 simple pranks you guys can pull off at pretty much any fast food joint. Don't forget to give this video a like if you haven't yet for more cool prank ideas. So I just placed my order of chicken tenders and fries, although Jack in the Box is a burger place. So while waiting, I'll fill up my cup with ice, and in this instance I went with lemonade from Minute Maid for the demos. And again guys, these pranks can be done at any fast food place. No tools or supplies needed to set these up. That's why they're so easy to do. So if you're eating with someone and they decide to go into the bathroom to wash their hands or anything else, that's when you jump into action. This is their drink, they left it behind. Simply pop off the lid, straw and all. We'll be tampering with the straw, so fold it as I have it here. We want the tip to be trapped between the cup and the lid, so when they try to sip on it, it'll be impossible because the tip is blocked. It'll make them a bit angry till they open it. Another cup prank you can get away with is if you pop off the lid and cover it with a napkin. The thicker the better. This one is 6 layers. Place the lid over it, that will keep the napkin in place. Rip off the excess napkin sticking out. When they try to insert a straw, they will definitely struggle with it and it might end up bending their straw. Now let's mess with their dip. This one is the easiest and fastest. Simply peel it off and quickly place it upside down close to their food. Put an additional dip on top to better sell this prank. Eventually, they'll casually pick it up and in turn cause this mess. Alright, not the messiest or funniest pranks guys, but you guys gotta know that these are level 1 pranks. Again, no extra tools or materials required to pull these off in public, plus they're super fast to do. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you pranksters in my next video.